Hello, Tesla family. I'm here to show you some Yeslak wheel protectors for the Model Y. If you have a Tesla Model Y, you are probably familiar with bashing up your wheels, taking curbs. No matter how careful we drive, I don't know what the solution is. Just be a better driver, I guess. Oh my God, Jesus, Nick, that one got my tire. Oh, that's terrible. Holy Lord. Um, Driver side wheel. What up, Mando? Let's check out the passenger side wheels. That's actually the only one that looks semi decent, and then this is the worst. So, rear passenger, holy Lord, this is all scraped up. So in the past, I have tried the curb rash repair kits, which is basically a series of sanding blocks and then some like touch-up paint. And it's not terrible. I wish I could. Here's a area that's been repaired, and you can see it's also dirty and scraped on. So, Yeslak was kind enough to send me, boom, these very simple but very effective covers. And there's some tape in there. There is. This is not a paid review or anything, guys. They did send me these. I didn't have to buy them, but they just told me to give me some honest feedback. So I am going to play with this. I'll show you what one looks like. Hopefully these are right for the vehicle. Look at that. Looks like it might fit. Looks like it might fit. All right. Last time, if you watched my other videos, we got the wrong ones because I told them the wrong tire. So that was on me. Let's see what we can do here. So the gist of it, from what I saw on other install videos, is you put the tape on the inside of this, and just goes around the rim here, and then these just snap on. So I am going to pause the video right now. I'm going to get this tape applied. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a kind of like a foamy kind of tape. So I'll get this applied on here, and then I'm going to get these things put on and come back and show you the after. So here is the before, and we will swap right back to the after. We're back. We've got 3 of the 4 installed. I'm going to do the last one live, but this is a look at my dirty wheel. This is post protector being installed. Here's the one that had the cut. Remember what that looked like, the cut on the tire. Now it's got the protector on. And as we come over, this is the one we're going to do live. I'll show you how much better. This was our bad one. And back behind the wheel protector here, you can see this was where that big gouge was that I pointed out. Now when you come back, it is flawless looking. And I'm going to take this thing through the car wash right after we leave here. You can see exactly how dirty she is. But once you get her cleaned up, these things really, look at this, how they just blend in seamlessly. I like it. I like it. I wanted to leave it dirty on purpose. I never leave my car this dirty, but I saw in some other videos this helps with contrast to show this contrast of what the rim protector will look like for you. So there you go. So that thing is beautiful looking. Couple of pro tips: get some gloves. Wear some gloves while you're installing these. Really, that's the only pro tip. Oh no, actually, second pro tip is this is very important. This was in the video that I watched. Locate this piece here where your nozzle matches up. That's really all you have to do, is make sure that this is matched up. And we want to start from the top, kind of let gravity do its thing. Get the first couple clipped in, and then the rest are just going to start to fall into place. Again, the gloves help because we're kind of grabbing behind these tires, pressing in. You can hear it click. Clicking is good. Clicking is what we want. So let's make sure they're all clicked in. Is that one in? It's in. All right, there you go. Things installed. Give you the dirt test. So this just kind of makes our curb rash go away, and it's a very affordable way to do it versus grinding down your actual rims and you know, then hitting a curb the minute you leave the place and being pissed off about that. So this is Yeslak. I'll give you one more look around the car here. Check out their website. I use my promo code. You'll get a discount. I'll leave a link and all of that fun stuff in the description. But highly recommend. Highly recommend. And actually, we can do a quick little side-by-side. My wife's Model Y with no rim protectors. And then you see the chewed up wheels versus, boom, wheel protector. So protector, nothing chewed up. No protector, lots chewed up. Pretty easy decision. These are very affordable. There's a great look at the side-by-side. Yeslak, appreciate you guys sending these to me. I'm going to go ahead and give these a 5 out of 5. Install was super easy. Toolless install, guys. Gloves, like I said, help, but you don't need any tools to install these things. You're just going to get them in a box. You're going to put the tape, the foam on them, which is just a single-sided tape, and then they're going to clip in like you saw. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like the video, and be sure to go check out Yeslak. Peace.